What's going on, monsters? Just kidding. How's it going, housemates? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot fucking second since I uploaded a video. I promise they're coming again. It has been busy as fuck this summer, and yeah, now that I have a break and things are starting to slow down, here we are, looking green. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this look. Please continue watching, and I'm gonna beat this bug. Alright, so to start, I'm going to go in and I'm going to heavily moisturize because this foundation that I'm about to use is going to stain my face. I'm going to use some Smashbox primer as well, and then go in with GlamGlow. That smells absolutely fantastic, and that should give us a nice kind of defensive layer between pigment and my skin. Once we're moisturized, I have mixed up this Kat Von D Warm 52 with some Rubie's green Halloween makeup. It is terrifying, but here we go. Now that that's done, we're going to set with NYX translucent powder in Fair. And now going in with ELF Brow Cream in the color Espresso to do the brows. Once we've got a shape we like, we're going to fill them in. Brow moment, smoosh the camera. Alright, now I'm going to start contouring. I'm going into the Morphe 35B palette and using the darkest color of green. And now we're just going to blend that out. No contour. Contour. No contour. Contour. Now going in to do the jawline, and we've already done the forehead and temple area. And make scary faces at the camera, and then we'll do the nose. She is looking snatched, so we're going to go in with this Graftobian Clown White powder and apply it quite heavily to the lid and also the under eye. Now I'm going to highlight the brow bone with that same white powder. And now we're cutting the cheek with our NYX translucent powder. We're going to shape this a bit, let it bake, wipe away the excess, and then set some high points. Just on the tip of the chin, the nose, and up on the forehead. Now we're going to bake the under eye. And also bring the powder up into the nose contour to help it blend and diffuse a little bit. And we're using the translucent powder for this, not the clown white. Now we'll wipe away that excess and get started on the eyes. I'm applying this light shimmery green from the Morphe 35B palette, and then I'm going to go in with a NYX Blush and start creating the outer shape of the eye. Alright, now we're going to highlight with this green from the NYX Metals Palette. And now switching to the NYX Contour and Pro palette, we're going to grab the highlighter from there just to define the nose. And we're going to highlight the Cupid's bow and hit the chin as well, just a bit. Using that same highlighter from the NYX Contour and Pro palette to highlight our brow bone. We're going to go ahead and draw some funky details on our face with some black powder. I've just used the black eyeshadow from the 35S palette. And we're going to go in with this silver liner, also by NYX, and define those lines. This is going to give us that silvery highlight effect. Bam. And once I've finished going over the details with this silver liner, I'm going to further detail with a white cream blend stick by Mayron. And now it's time for liner and a dance break. For liner, I'm using the NYX Super Skinny Eyeliner. I'm taking some of that black powder from the 35S palette and just diffusing the bottom lash line. And now we're going to apply some of the burgundy color from that 35S palette and smoke this eye out. Brightening the under eye with some highlighter from the Contour and Pro palette. And now we're going to apply Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. This is a sampler that I picked up from Sephora, and I honestly really enjoyed this mascara. For the lips, I'm just using the same foundation color, and then we're going to apply some bright green glitter because I did not have a green lipstick. And bam! Okay, housemates, this is it. This is the final Gamora fantasy. I obviously didn't take the green all the way down my chest. I'm not going anywhere. It was only for the video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button, make sure that you also hit the notification bell so that you get to see my new videos. I have a bunch of stuff planned, obviously. There's a bunch of shit that I wanted to get to this year that I didn't get to yet, but I'm gonna get back into that stuff now that things are calming down a little bit. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Peace.